Today I want to show you guys how to install the dash cam, both in the front and the rear, without hardware kit that can record videos 24 hours every day. In the back is my 2015 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. As you can see, currently my dash cam is connected to the cigarette port, which I have a line in the middle of the center screen. This is not I want, because our car doesn't have a fuse box in front of the passenger seat, which is below the glove box. Our car have 3 fuse boxes, one in the front engine bay, and another one in the back of the trunk, and there's another one down below the steering wheel. Because I want to hardwire the dash cam so that if I'm not in the car and the car is locked, if anything happens, the dash cam can capture the video footage. My original hardware kit comes with the wires not longer enough, so we can run the wire all the way back to the trunk. So I bought something from Alibaba. This is OBD 2-port, come with a switch, which can switch from ACC to always on power. For the wiring route, I'm going to put the wire on the top of the headliner, just insert the wire there and then go all the way down, and from the pillar just around this way and insert the wire down to the weather strip all the way down. Okay, so from here I'm going to start from here to there and insert the wire into the weather strip and all the way down, and then 90-degree turn to the OBD port. All right, let's start. It's better to have a trim tool, something like that. So this is come with the dash cam I bought. Okay, what I'm doing here is I connect the micro USB cable to the dash cam, and the wire will go from the headliner. You can just use a piece of trim tool, push all the wire in like that, right? It's easy. Okay, once you get to this section, you just use your trim tool, get the wire in, okay? Just like that, see? So I'm continue to do the way all the way to here. Okay, so once you get to this part, just use your trim, open the weather strip, and insert the wire. It's hard to do it with one hand just here, but I'm sure you guys, yeah, something like that. And then you can working on this corner, into the wire just like that. So here's a close-up of the section. I know it's hard to capture it, but you'll see the wire is come behind this headliner, right? All right, for this part, you just insert all the wire like that. Insert all the wire in. And for this part, make sure you get the wire in the back of the weather strip. As you can see, I got the wire in the back of this weather strip. Then I insert the wire here, and I managed to get the wire inside this piece. This is the OBD port. I just plug in. There's a lot of space inside of this cover, so I'll insert all the wire into that piece, so I'll make a clean, nice look. As you can see, I managed to get all the wire into that little piece, and I only have this visible wire outside. This is okay because there's no way to harden this well because the connection is here. Okay, this might be part 2 because I have a 2K rear camera. Okay, from 70 my. I'm going to wire this one.
as well.
Alright, in order to wear the rear dash camera, I have to connect this wiring cable to the front dash camera, and this is the mini USB port. So just connect to the port there, and I'm going to wire it from here all the way down, from top liner to the pillar, and then way back. So the procedure will be the same, this one, but just need your more time to and take your patient to do the job, right? Up there you can just go insert the cable inside of the B pillar and then go out and all the way down to the C pillar. This is the C pillar. So if you go this way and then going this way, go up to the back of the top liner, just insert, and then into the middle of the rear window. I'll stick the camera here. Alright, here's the rear view camera inside of the car. Here's the rear view camera outside of the car. Here's the front dash cam inside of the car. Here's the dash cam outside of the car.